The following is an excerpt of Barrell Chest, Building Powerful Pecs for Strong Living, read by the author, Rob Coles. Are you tired of having a chest that looks like a deflated balloon? Have you ever looked at a Greek statue and thought to yourself, I wish I had pecs like that? Well, fear not, my fellow aspiring trainers and bodybuilders, because it's time to pump up that chest and sculpt it into something worthy of admiration. So, let's do a quick comparison, shall we? On the one hand, you have the chest of a baby bird. On the other hand, you have the chest of a gorilla. Which one do you want to be? I know. The gorilla seems like an obvious choice, but let's be real. None of us want to be walking around with super hairy chests and the constant urge to beat on our chest like Tarzan. Am I right? We just want to feel that sense of power. Fear not, my friends. We don't have to go to that extreme to achieve a powerful, impressive chest. With the right mindset, dedication, and a bit of methodical humility, we can get there. Think of your chest as a canvas and your workout routine as the paintbrush. You have the power to create a masterpiece or a total disaster. So let's make it a masterpiece, shall we? In this book, we will dive into the world of chest training, covering everything from anatomy to recovery. We'll use professional bodybuilding principles, but we won't take ourselves too seriously. After all, if we can't laugh at ourselves while we're grunting through a tough set of bench press, what's the point? This is also where the methodical and the humility comes in. No rushing, no cheating. Too serious, too fast almost always leads to injury at some point. So, buckle up, grab your protein shake, and let's get ready to pump some iron. It's time to transform that baby bird chest into something that Arnold Schwarzenegger would be proud of. Chapter 1. Introducing the pecs. The chest muscles are a crucial part of your upper body and they play an essential role in various everyday activities. Properly training the chest muscles can lead to a more sculpted and defined upper body as well as improved functional strength. In this chapter, we'll discuss the anatomy of the chest muscles, their function, and the benefits of training them. By the end of the book, we'll cover everything you need to know about chest training, including special tips, recovery suggestions, and sample workouts based on bodybuilding principles. This knowledge will help you to better target and engage the chest muscles during your workouts, leading to better results. So, the chest muscles are comprised of the pectoralis major and the pectoralis minor. The pectoralis major is the larger of the two muscles and is responsible for most of the movement of the arms across the body. It has two main portions, the clavicular head, which originates from the collarbone, and the sternal head, which originates from the sternum. The pectoralis minor is a smaller muscle located underneath the pectoralis major. It originates from the third, fourth, and fifth ribs and inserts into the coracoid process of the scapula. Its main function is to stabilize the scapula or shoulder blade. Now, let's dive into the kinesiology of the chest muscle from an exercise perspective. The primary function of chest muscles is to move the arms across the body. This movement is known as horizontal adduction. The chest muscles are also involved in pushing movements such as bench press and push-up. So when performing exercises that target the chest muscles, it's important to understand the different angles and ranges of motion that can be used. For example, incline exercises such as the incline bench press or incline dumbbell flies, they place more emphasis on the upper portion of the chest, while decline exercises such as decline bench press, decline dumbbell flies place more emphasis on the lower portion. It's also important to note that the chest muscles work in conjunction with other muscles in the body, such as the shoulders and the triceps. This is why exercises such as the bench press and push-up also engage these muscles to a certain degree. So in summary, the anatomy and kinesiology of the chest muscles are crucial for effective chest training. Understanding the different portions of the chest muscle, their functions will help you to better target and engage them during your workouts. Don't be afraid to experiment with different angles and ranges of motion to find what works best for you. So if you like this book, it's available on Amazon. For Kindle subscribers, I believe it's still free. And it's called Barrel Chest. And it's from the Country Bama series. I kind of did that on purpose. And I'd appreciate it if you'd give it a look. And as far as my channel, if you like the content, please like and subscribe. And if not, search engines are out there. You'll find what you need. Till then, have a great day whenever and wherever you are. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.